Hello everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we will see how we can convert percentage to whole number using Power Automate. So here we will see two examples on this, like how we can convert percentage to whole number and how we can convert percentage to whole number dynamically. From SharePoint list we will take the percentage columns and we will convert it into the whole number. Now let's start with the first one. So this is the flow I have created to convert the percentage to integer. This is an instant cloud flow which will trigger manually, and then I have initialized the variable that is string type which contains 50%. Why I have assigned this variable as string type? Because percentage is not counted as integer, that's why I have set the variable as string type. In the third step, I have removed the percentage symbol, and then I have converted the 50 to integer by using int method. If I will copy this expression and if I will show you, here you can see the replace method will replace the percentage symbol with nothing, like with no space. After that, the 50 will return by the replace method. Then we will convert this 50 to integer type. In the fourth step, we have divided the 50 by 100, which will give us the result in decimal places. Then we will convert these decimal places to the whole number. So now let's see how it works. Now click on test button, then click on manually. Now click on test button. Now click on run flow. Now click on done. Here you can see the percentage is removed from the 50%, and then we have converted the 50% into decimal places by dividing by 100, and then we format the number as 1, the whole number. So now let's move forward to our second example where we will use the SharePoint list. So this is the SharePoint list and this is the discount column which is having percentage symbol. So we will use this column to convert into the whole number. So for this I have created this flow. This flow will also an instant cloud flow that will trigger manually, and then it will get items from that list, and then we will format the number to the whole number. So when we retrieve the item from the SharePoint list, that percentage is coming as decimal places. Then we are converting that decimal places to whole number. So if I will save the flow and I will run my flow, click on manually, then click on test button, then click on run flow, then click on done. Here you can see our flow runs successfully. If I will click on get items, then click to download. If I will search for discount, here you can see discount value is coming as decimal places. So from decimal places we will convert into the whole number. But here we have provided as in percentage. Here the percentage is converted to decimal places by Power Automate, and we are converting into the whole number using Power Automate flow. So that's all for today. We will see you on next video. So do subscribe to our channel to see lot more free video tutorial on SharePoint Online, Power Apps, Power Automate and Machine Learning and many more. Thanks for watching.